Hello dear fans. How to find the number of protons. To find the number of protons in an atom, determine its place in the periodic table. Find its serial number in the periodic table. It will be equal to the number of protons in the atomic nucleus. If you're looking for an isotope, look at a couple of numbers describing its properties. The bottom number will be the number of protons. In the event that the charge of an atomic nucleus is known, you can find out the number of protons by dividing its value by the charge of one proton. Necessary. In order to find the number of protons, find out the value of the charge of a proton or electron. Take the table of isotopes, the periodic table. Instructions. Step 1. Determining the number of protons of a known atom. In the case when it is known which atom is being investigated, find its location in the periodic table. Determine its number in this table by finding the cell of the corresponding element. In this cell, find the ordinal number of the element that corresponds to the studied atom. This serial number will correspond to the number of protons in the atomic nucleus. Step 2. How to find protons in an isotope. Many atoms have isotopes with different nuclear masses. That is why the mass of the nucleus alone is not enough to unambiguously determine the atomic nucleus. When describing an isotope, a pair of numbers is always recorded before writing down its chemical designation. The upper number indicates the mass of the atom in atomic mass units, and the lower indicates the nuclear charge. Each unit of nuclear charge in such a record corresponds to one proton. Thus, the number of protons is equal to the lowest number in the recording of this isotope. Step 3. How to find protons, knowing the charge of the nucleus. Often the properties of an atom are characterized by the charge of its nucleus. In order to determine the number of protons in it, it is necessary to convert it into pendants, if it is given in multiples. Then divide the nuclear charge by the electron charge modulus. This is due to the fact that since an atom is electrically neutral, the number of protons in it is equal to the number of electrons. Moreover, their charges are equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. The proton has a positive charge, the electron is negative. Therefore, divide the charge of the atomic nucleus by the number 1, 6022 10^19 coulomb. The result is the number of protons. Since the methods for measuring the charge of an atom are not accurate enough, if you get a fractional number when dividing, round it to the nearest integer. Thanks for watching.